Hey everyone, and welcome back. I'm Linda with LG Queen Home Decor. Fall is quickly approaching, and in this video I'll be showing you all of my fall decorations and how I'll be styling our home for this season. I always like to start off by giving the space I'm working with a deep clean. Over the months you can see on this large white sectional that with everyday use it has become dirty and has some stains all over. The good thing about this fabric being white is that all of the cushions can be removed as well as the base covers underneath that wraps around each section. I'm going to wash each one and use some OxiClean during the washes to restore its white color. If you're looking to get help with ideas on how to decorate multiple areas in your home for fall, I hope this video gives you ideas and inspiration. Thank you to Lowe's for sponsoring a portion of today's video. Now let's get started. While we wait for all the covers to wash and dry, many of you have seen this large mirror in my home that I have shown in many other videos. We've had this mirror for almost 10 years now, and we've always been hesitant to give it a refresh and painting it. Today we're changing things up a little, and you will get to see how we transform and give it a new look. This mirror is about 7 foot tall and about 6 foot wide, and it helps to be a focal point in any space it's placed in. We're going to be painting all of the sides with an espresso brown. This paint color is actually going to be used just as the base. After the base coat had dried, we then took the mirror back inside to begin applying the next layer. I'm using a wax metallic base coating for this. To apply this coating, I'm using a makeup brush of mine to give it a decorative and unique finish. This is a gold coating that is being applied, and it really stands out and shines with the espresso brown undercoating. As we finish up applying the new coating for this mirror and as it dries, I'm going to be featuring several items throughout the video coming up that help me with this fall transformation. It can be challenging sometimes in finding the right furniture pieces, home decor, and even ideas on how to put it all together. I'd like to share with you all where I was able to get these items, and in case you would also like to incorporate them or build off my ideas in your home as well. Today's portion of the video is sponsored by Lowe's. I wanted to first add in a longer side table to our living room to add in decorative pieces as to also make things feel more cozy. With Lowe's, I was completely blown away with all the different variety of modern and elegant pieces to choose from. There were many colors available and unique designs that can really help elevate and transform a space. I ended up going with this modern luxe curved design console table in a black finish. I really like this design and how the ends are curved and also the details of the design with all of these grooves. This can easily be transported to any area of the home with ease because it's not too heavy to lift. This can be a versatile piece to add character to multiple spaces, to place lamps on, books, or also home decor as I will be showing here. As we have disassembled our couch to wash the covers, it was a perfect time to also clean underneath and to also update the rug. We've had this one for a while now, and it was showing some signs of wear on the ends. If you all saw my makeover video I did recently in giving our laundry room a makeover, I featured a rug that I added in that one that I also found with Lowe's. I couldn't help but to get this rug in the larger version in an 8x10 size as it complements perfectly with fall, holiday colors, or really any time of the year. This is the Origin 21 Modern Abstract Area Rug with Stain Master that has so many vibrant blends of colors to really bring the most out of an area. It has shades of white, tan, browns, orange, red, and blue to make things feel inviting here. What further made me choose this one is how other people posted their experience and pictures of this rug in their homes and how much they like it. It also helped bring their space and furniture to feel more cozy and inviting. I came across this faux fur blanket by Gracie Millsbury in gray, and I really like the added touch it will give to this living room. This one here is especially unique as the first side has a textured basket weave pattern that feels thick and high quality. You can add one of these to many different areas of a home, and they also make the perfect gift for those who enjoy making their home more inviting and cozy. I came across this collection of 3 beautiful golden metal candle holders by Cosmo Living that I'll be adding as a decorative piece on our coffee table. These also come in a silver finish, and I really like the feel and size of these that really stand out wherever they're placed at. I wanted to add some extra lighting into our fireplace, and I found these LED under cabinet light bars by Good Earth that work perfectly for tight areas or places to add instant light to. I've added these also to our pantry, under cabinets in our kitchen, and they really help to further elevate the feel of any space. I was able to come across these beautiful white and tan distressed pumpkins by Holiday Living. Since most of the colors in my home are neutral colors, I found that these would blend in perfectly with all the other colors and items I have. These are a great size, great quality, and can be placed anywhere. These are just some of the items I was able to find with Lowe's, and more through their vast and available options online that I never knew they offered. By using Lowe's online or the mobile app, items can be picked up directly from your local Lowe's for convenience. I find it also so amazing in how stock items can be delivered to your house same day if ordered by 2 p.m. If you would like to learn more about what I've shared today and to shop for your own makeover project, you can scan the QR code on the screen or visit the links to all of these items in my description box below for easy access. Thank you to Lowe's for providing so many amazing items at affordable prices to help everyone with their unique projects. Now let's get back to this. this makeover. I want to thank everyone who made it today to watch this year's fall transformation. I'd love to hear what stood out to you and what was your favorite part by leaving a comment below. For many of the items I've shown today, I'll leave as many links as I can below for easy access. Thank you so much to my longtime supporters and those who are new here joining me. Your time watching my videos means more than you know. Make sure to tune in on my next upcoming videos as we approach the holiday season. You don't want to miss them. I'll talk to everyone in my next video. Take care.